Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. In the previous lessons, we create something amazing. If you remember, we are creating some project on the Leitner Box, but for example, let's say, like now, it's 4 days or 5 days after the last time you create a project and you don't know what you create. So how you can find out where were you working last time? It's really easy. You go to GitHub, you go to your project, look for the last thing that changed. Here you see the last thing is lab copy 1. We were working there. You see we have something imported file, data folders. They both work great. So let's see what we have. We need to open our environment. And then activate our environment. It's really not a problem. Your first minute of a starting project is you look for what you created in the previous videos, because of that I always said you must take notes and take GitHub really seriously. I do it on purpose for you to understand better why it's so important to write everything and comment everything. For example, now let's go to our GitHub. Let's go to our repository. It's really important to keep track of everything. And if you lost it like now, it's going to be a disaster. Let's go to, you see, where is it? Optimizing non-correct. I can't find that. What is the name? Let's take a look and see what is the name. Leitner Box. Let's see if we have Leitner Box. Leitner System for Excel. I don't think this is the one. Let's see if we can find that or not. Let's search Light. Okay, we don't. Commented why? Oh, we didn't publish that. Let's publish that. Okay, until it's publishing, let's take a look at project files. We have app copy 1 and loop IPMB project untitled. Okay, we have app copy and the app itself. It's app copy. Okay, let's take a look at app copy. I think one of them is the right code to run, but we don't understand which one of them. This is low, has nothing in that. The project also has nothing in that. So let's run it and see what is going to bring us for us. It's published. Now I think we must have the repository. I hope. Okay, we will find about that later. Okay, we have it. Now we can go to branches. And you see we have main branches. We can see the project workspace from here if you want. Let me see, where was that? I always forget that commits. There's something named commits. I'm going to look for it to find that. Okay, there is no way I can't find the commits. No issues, no pull requests, no actions. Project, no security inside. No, they are not. Oh, commits here. creating the app is the last commit I created. Okay, now I run it, but why nothing is happening? Let's run it again. Let's see what result is going to give us. Let's run the, okay, create new 500 folder. I think this is the right code. Okay, add a new file word to your Leitner Box. Let's write 2 here. Okay, our file copied to 8/11/2025. Let's go take a look. Okay, here. And the file are created with the right date. So let me just run the update. It may put them here. That's right. It's working as great as possible. And I also want to add a function to it to delete the folders back from today's, but not now. Now we have this app, but you must remember this app, I think, is using the function that we have in the top. I think, yes, I'm agree that it's using these functions from this thing in the format of the app here. It's just calling them. Yes. Now we have the app and everything is right. But you see, we have the problem here. This app have some problems. I want to fix them. For example, let's give you an example of the problems. Let's say if you review some file and you don't want it to update to the next time. So how you should do that? The 3 option is going to make and update it. Let's go here. Process files to next day. I think we created here. It's a good function, but it might ask us that we need this file or not. So let's just go and start changing that. Let me end it. I think with 4 it's ended. 4. The real app. Okay, it's good. Now let me just make it markdown, run it, and commit everything. Okay, now we have the real app. We need something to create that change everything. At first, we need to delete all the repositories that are not needed. This lab, they are all in history, so we don't need them now. The lab one is enough for us. Now we need to do some changes, but I don't want to change my good code. So because of that, I'm going to run the project down here, so to not damage our, let's see what it is. Why it's not running? What the hell is that? It's very huge, I think. Okay. It has all the function in itself, but I'm not going to use that. So let me pause that. Oh, no, it's here. It's run here. We have this program. We want to change it. So let's start changing that. Okay, the kernel is going to restart. Let's see if it's ready or not. Okay, the kernel is ready. We have the app. I want to change one of the functions. That functions. It's the 3 function, I think. Yes, that's the 3 function. let's open up the ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's go there. It's gonna take a while for them. I'm going to use Gemini today, not ChatGPT. I want you to change this function. So before copying the pictures or PDFs, open them for me and ask me if I know them or not. If I say yes, do the same function as past. If I say no, just copy that to next day without any changes to its file or its note. Let's say it's going to understand that or not. Okay, let's copy that and see what we have here. I'm not going to destroy this perfect code. So because of that, I'm just going to update a new code, run it. Now run it. Okay, add new files. Import files is not defined. Okay, I understand what is the problem. I need to run that. Run that. No, I need to run this at first. Sorry, I need to close that. Let's run this. Then run this. Let me just close that. I run this and run this. Now, add file. Okay, the folder does not exist. Sorry, everyone. I got a little cold. Not a little, a very bad one. Okay, let's just copy one of them. It's good. We have some file here. So what is the problem? Okay, let's the folder. Okay, the folder does not exist. Why? What is the problem? Okay, we must problem shot it. Okay, let's see the app. What to is doing? File, import file. Let's go to import file. Let's find the import file function here. See users, desktop, project, Leitner Box, lab, import file. Oh, we didn't change that to lab. Copy one. We need to run everything from the first again. Let's end this. Run it. Then run this. Then run this. Okay, let's do 2. Let's create 3. Okay, the tree is not working right, I think, and I don't know why. Let's say it's run. Process file to next state interactive. Okay, I need to change the function. Let's close this. Interactive. Run it. 2 and 3. Okay. During the files, please manually open and the view file. Okay. Do you recognize the file? Let's say yes, for example. Okay. Do you recognize the file? Let's say no. Let's take a look and see if the function is working right or not. The first important thing for us is that we were here. We say one not. It's here without any deletement. And another one is here with a delete. Am I right? Yes. Some of you may ask why 2 pictures are here, because we copied them 2 times, but everything is working right. Okay, let me just delete every one of them. We don't need them now. So we create everything. Our functions are flawless and we have everything we want. The app is truly working the best possible way. Okay, let me just cut that and paste it here. Okay, now everything is working right. We have our app here and everything else is correct. So, but you see, it's not very usable to work with it like that. It's need to be more visible or more understandable for a person to use it. So, how we can do that? We need to make it to work on a phone, or at least make it look better. So we have 2 options. At first, the first option is that we can upload it on the internet and work it on their Google Drive. And the second option is that we make it to work on our phone. Okay, let's go to our Google Drive and see which one of these ways is going to be the best. Now we have everything we want for our app. So I'm going to end this app here, but we are going to try to make it an app or make it on our Google Drive in the next few lessons. Until then, have a nice time. Let me just commit that. The end of creating Leitner Box algorithm, because this is the end, but we have a lot of work to do. Okay. Until then, have a nice time.